Welcome to another session. Welcome to Yoruba Aladun, part 4, Yoruba history. A lot of people have been telling me that I've been speaking too much English and I'm talking about Yoruba history. Oda, mama so Yoruba, dada kele ma gbọ́ mi, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ̀yin fans mi, ẹ má bínú wípé òyìnbó tí mo ń sọ ó ti pọ̀ jù. Okay? Yoruba ni mo máa bọ́ sí báyìí. Ìkan tí a fẹ́ sáré sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ẹ̀, it's still on the Yoruba language. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo ti èdè Yorùbá gangan. Báwo ló ṣe di wípé a bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń kọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ nínú èdè Yorùbá? Àwọn wo ló gbé alphabeti Yorùbá kalẹ̀? So we are looking at the origin of the Yoruba alphabet. Ọ̀pọ̀ náà ẹ jẹ́ kí n wo máìkì nítorí pé mo ti ṣe fídíò yìí ní ọjọ́ sí. Ṣé ní gbogbo ẹ̀ máìkì yìí kò rìkọ́dì kankan? Anyways, the Christian Missionary Society, CMS, yes, popular CMS. These were the people that actually organized a body, more like a committee, to go into the mission of finding out about the Yoruba country. Àwọn ẹgbẹ́ wọ̀nyí tó ń pè ní CMS, àwọn ló parapọ̀ lọ ní pé ẹ jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣe ìwádìí nípa àwọn èdè Yorùbá. Báwo la ṣe lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí kọ èdè Yorùbá sínú ìwé kámáríkà bí a ṣe ń ka èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì. Àwọn èèyàn kan wà tá gbọ́dọ̀ gbé òṣùbà fún iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n ṣe nípa mímú èdè Yorùbá yìí wá sínú kíkọ. Àwọn èèyàn mẹ́ta la máa kọ́kọ́ dárúkọ. Reverend Henry Venn, Reverend Henry Townsend tó wà ní Sierra Leone, àti Bishop Ajayi Crowther. Nígbà yẹn Reverend Samuel Ajayi Crowther ni wọ́n kó tó di pé wọ́n di bishop. Àwọn dẹ̀ ni first African clergyman, yẹn ni ẹni adúláwọ̀ àkọ́kọ́ tó jẹ́ ẹni ògbóǹtarìgì láàrin àwọn ìgbìmọ̀ tí àwọn CMS gbé kalẹ̀. Kí làwọn kan tí wọ́n kọ́kọ́ ṣe? What were their efforts? Àwọn kan tó kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣe ni wọ́n gbìyànjú láti yọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tuntun jáde. Ìyẹn ni pé they try to invent new characters. Wọ́n gbìyànjú láti yọ àwọn alphabet tuntun jáde. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn alphabet tí wọ́n fẹ́ gbìyànjú láti gbé jáde kò ṣiṣẹ́. So that ìyẹn fail, ìyẹn ò ṣiṣẹ́, wọ́n fi yẹn lẹ̀. Ẹ̀kejì tí wọ́n ṣe ni pé wọ́n ní pé okay o, bóyá ká adapt Arabic. Okay? Because Arabic was already known to Muslim Yorubas. Okay? That did not work too. So they could not adapt Arabic because it's just entirely different from the alphabet. Kí ni kan tó wá ṣe? What did they do eventually? So they decided to go with the Roman character. And Roman character was naturally adopted because it would obviate the difficulties of learning strange characters by missionaries. Moreover, it was best acquainted with. So as these missionaries, they were looking at the best way to go about the Yoruba characters, and they decided to adopt the Roman character. Special adaptation was made for words not found in English or European language. Okay, ìyẹn ni pé àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ míì tí wọ́n ò rí nínú àwọn Roman character wọ̀nyí, wọ́n wá ọ̀nà míì láti lè ṣe. Kí ni iṣẹ́ tí àwọn tí wọ́n ń gbé iṣẹ́ yìí fún? Ibo ló ti kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́? Báwo ni wọ́n ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣe iṣẹ́ yẹn? Àwọn ìgbìmọ̀ kan wà tó tún wà lára Christian Missionary Society. There was this other committee that was part of the Christian Missionary Society, and that committee was assisted by 3 important people. Àwọn ìgbìmọ̀ yìí ó ní àwọn èèyàn jàǹkànjàǹkàn mẹ́ta tí wọ́n ran ìgbìmọ̀ yìí lọ́wọ́. And these people are Professor Lee of Cambridge, Mr. Norris of London, and Professor Lepsius of Berlin. Okay? Professor Lepsius of Berlin yìí, ìyẹn gangan ló ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ iṣẹ́ jù. Wọ́n ni wọ́n fún ní iṣẹ́ láti ṣe àgbékalẹ̀ alphabeti Yorùbá. Yàtọ̀ sí alphabeti Yorùbá, wọ́n fún wọn ní iṣẹ́ láti ṣe àgbékalẹ̀ alphabetic system. Ìyẹn ni pé àwọn ọ̀nà wo ni a ṣe lè máa tò àwọn alphabeti ní èdè àwọn abínibí àwọn ènìyàn. Professor Lepsius established on a firm scientific basis the standard alphabet in which the Yoruba language is now written. the Lepsius standard. So Professor Lepsius yìí ti Berlin òun ló wá ṣe iṣẹ́ yìí kalẹ̀, ìyẹn ni pé ó gbé ọ̀nà kan kalẹ̀ láti lè jẹ́ kí àwọn kíkọ alifábẹ́ẹ̀tì Yorùbá kó lè wá sí ìmúṣẹ. Ìkan tó gbé kalẹ̀ yìí tí a pè ní alphabetic system yìí was later adopted. That alphabetic system was later adopted by the CMS in 1856. Okay, ìgbà tó yá ni wọ́n tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá gbà á gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀nà láti máa fi kọ alphabeti Yorùbá ní 1856. Okay, kí ó tó di pé mo sọ̀rọ̀ jù, ẹ kọ́kọ́ like, ẹ share, kí ẹ subscribe sí channel yìí. Like this video, share it, let people see what is happening, let somebody else benefit, let somebody else learn about it, and please subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification, all right, so that when I release my next video, you are going to be the first person to see it. So Roman characters furnish all that is necessary from which every written language can draw. Okay, ọ̀nà tí wọ́n gbé kalẹ̀ yìí wọ́n wí pé ó jẹ́ nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí a ò tí kọ jáde tó jẹ́ àwọn èdè àbínibí tàwọn ènìyàn wọ́n lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí gbé àwọn alifábẹ́ẹ̀tì yìí kalẹ̀ lé wọn lórí. Okay, but let's make some facts clear that this system was not followed by all. That Lepsius standard was not followed by all. For instance, Dr. R.N. Cost claimed that the linguist that is talking about the linguists of the missionaries that were linguists, that they were narrow-minded and opinionated. Okay, but those reasons are inadequate and inconclusive. Okay, ìkan tá à ń sọ nísìnyí ni pé àwọn kan dìde wípé ìkan tí iṣẹ́ tí àwọn arábí yìí ń ṣe àgàgà Lepsius standard tí ẹni yìí gbé kalẹ̀ kò ń ṣe nǹkan tí a lè máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń lò. Àá dárúkọ ẹni náà, Dr. N. Cost, ó sọ wípé ẹni àwọn tó ń ṣe iṣẹ́ missionary, àwọn tó ń kọ ìwé wọ̀nyí tó ń kọ nípa wípé báyìí ni a ṣe lè gbé alifábẹ́ẹ̀tì Yorùbá kalẹ̀, wípé wọn ò ní àròjinlẹ̀ dáadáa. Okay, then opinionated, wípé ìmọ̀ ara tiẹ̀ nìkan ló ń ṣe, ìyẹn ni pé kan tó wù nìkan tó ń ṣe. Ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo àwọn àwáwí la máa pe àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí nítorí pé ẹni tó ń ṣe iṣẹ́ gangan la gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe kí ni gbé òṣùbà fún, ẹni tó dẹ̀ ṣe iṣẹ́ dáadáa. Okay, yàtọ̀ sí yẹ àríyànjiyàn wà láàrin àwọn tí wọ́n gbéṣẹ́ yìí fún, àwọn English àti German missionaries tí wọ́n fún ní iṣẹ́ Yorùbá mission yìí. So the English and the German missionaries, they were having controversies, okay, over what they could do. Ṣùgbọ́n ju gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ, we can conclude that Yoruba language has its own peculiarities and it is still evolving with new slang words coming up every day. Ní ṣókí, a lè sọ wípé èdè Yorùbá ní àwọn ìṣòro tiẹ̀, ó láwọn àdójúkọ tiẹ̀ náà. Okay, ó ní àwọn àdójúkọ tiẹ̀. A dẹ̀ lè sọ wípé kò dàgbà mọ́, ó ṣì ń dàgbà sí nítorí pé oríṣiríṣi àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tuntun ló ń jáde lójoojúmọ́. Okay, ibi tá a máa dáwọ́ dúró lónìí nìyí fún fídíò tòní. Kí nìkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀? If you want to know what happened next, please follow the next video because a lot of things happen next, especially when it comes to implementing that standard. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, mo fẹ́ kí ẹ wo next video yìí. Thank you very much. Ní ṣókí, ẹ jẹ́ kí n fi eléyìí sí. If you're watching me, ẹ jẹ́ n sọ ní èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì náà, màá sọ ní Yorùbá. If you're watching me right now and you want to learn the Yoruba language, this is the right time for you to enroll with us. Okay, the fee is very affordable and then you have access to free ebooks. You have access to recorded version of your class. Okay, so we have our sessions recorded for you to rewatch. Then we have materials, okay, that can help you learn the language. Whatever may be your level, what is guaranteed and proven is after 2 months, you're guaranteed that you are fluent in the language because of the system that has been put in place to help us achieve the best results for you. All right. So I would want you to fill the form that is now displayed on your screen. All right. Fill the form register your interest, book your lessons, and then start taking the course. Remember, you said last year you were going to learn the language. 2 years ago, you were going to learn the language. Now is another year, another time, another opportunity for you to learn the language. So don't let it pass you by. You have that responsibility to not let the language die, because language is part of your identity, okay? And there is no greater honor than for you to do what? Promote your indigenous language, and ensure that the next generation is preserved and they are well informed. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀ o, a tún máa ríra.